Ay, hello. Back to the ball game. Ay dadaan na sa ating 2013 division between the San Beda College Alabang versus the Xavier School San Juan. Good luck for both team. And shout out po kay Ma'am Joan Barreto and Sir Santo Tomas and Ma'am Santos Tomas as well. Ayan, magandang maga or tanghali na pala sa bawat isa. And shout out po kay Ma'am Ina. Hello. Ma'am Ina. Let's go. May dyan. Dito ka sarap. Thank you. Let's go. Eh syempre, shoutout po sa inyo lahat ng nanonood na ating live. At please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Sa mga gusto pong mapanood ng replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Tenorio, pass to Barreto. Hansipek to Tenorio. Oh, steal. Tan setting on the play. Back to Tan. Nabitawan, steal. Here comes Barreto. Oh, steal. Pasutan. Kick out for 3. No. Too strong. Rebound by Tenorio. Tenorio to you. Riley. Tansipek to Barreto. Pass to Tenorio for 2. No. Rebound by Riley. Correction, that's jersey number. Sorry, tama, Riley. Si Riley ba? Barreto to Santo Tomas. Hook shot, no. Riley, and there's the foul. That shouldn't line. Riley, you. San Beda, Alabang. Barreto to Riley. Oh, sorry, that's Tansipek. Tenorio, jump shot. Basket for Tenorio. Tan. Offensive foul for Tenorio. Correction, that's 10. Areto, Tutan Sipek. Tenorio, steal. Ayan na. Oh, and one. Jersey number 15. Oopsie, not pass. Uy, wala. Iba ng Xavier. Tenorio. Pass to Yanni. Top of the key for 3. In and out. Out of bounds. Tan, 4-3. No. Oopsie. Back to Yanni. Ayun na. Shooting the line, jersey number 15. Time remaining 5 minutes and 4 seconds. First shot is good. Alright, back to the ball game. Tansipek. Oh, steal. Ayan na ang San Beda. Crossover number 15. Nakalos at ang San Beda doon. 7-2. Ang ating talaan, Yanni to Tansipek. Oh, another steal. Here comes Tan. Sidestep. Tignan natin ang adal ng ating team. Fisher scores 9-2 in favor of the San Beda Alabang. Back to the ball game. Let's go. Ayun na, pinasok na rin dito si Yun. Full court defense na ang San Beda. Riley. Ayun na si Abdul. Second unit. Pass to Santo Tomas. Santo Tomas. And score. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Ayan, shoutout po. Ayan, kila Sir Lavin Castro and the rest of the LSL Subel kanina. A good fight for them. Contral sa Lourdes QC. Alright, back to the ball game. Let's go. Nakatawid ang San Beda. Out of bounds. Sige. Ayan, shoutout kay Coach Charlie Marquez. Ayan. Yes, nandito po si Hub. Hindi pa siya naipasok. Ayan, shoutout kay Coach Charlie Marquez. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 12 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Shoutout sa aking pamangkin na si Zane Oli Buena, Florida is watching. Kamusta ka, may pamangkin? Shoutout sa iyo, Zane. Let's go. Bola rito ng San Beda. Noopsie. Out of bounds. Saber School basketball. Santo Tomas. Foul. Oops, nawala. Ay, taas. Bababa na pala. D. Markim force 3 short. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 15, Pasatan, waiting for his teammate, pinasa loob, number 15, fake, tumira, wala. Another offensive rebound ng San Beda by jersey number 34. Let's go, Xavier. Ayan na, Santo Tomas, pinasa kay Kim, jump shot, no good. Abdul, wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 34. Ayan na, San Beda. Number 15. Pasatan at the corner. In and out. Rebound by number 16. Drop pass. Number 34. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ng Xavier. Here comes Kim. Kim. Tomiras. No. Correction. Ito pala si Kim. Fake. Pass to D, pinasa corner, Santo Tomas for 3, wala, rebound by Riley. Back to Santo Tomas, one-handed shot, no, another steal, spin move, Santo Tomas, and gets a foul. Munti ka na yun. Santo Tomas shooting for two on the free throw area. Timeout. Xavier. Back to the ball game. Let's go. San Beda Alabang basketball. Oh, out of bounds. Let's go, Xavier. D. Pass to Santo Tomas. Yun lang. Dribble first. Traveling violation. Last 1 minute. Number 12, no. Here comes Steve. Kim. Drop pass. Abdul. Wala. Rebound. Kun. Wala pa rin. Here comes Abdul. And one. So that's Texan rather. Bonus shot for Abdul for a 3-point play. Last 23 seconds. Oh, good. Ooh. Tan, spin move. Tan. To number 34. Out of bounds. Last 9 seconds. 9 seconds left. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Kim, 4-3. Block by number 12. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score 7 and 11. Kaya natin nakadali coach of our Xavier. Tayo na daw na sa ating second quarter. Let's go. Let's go back to the ball game. San Beda basketball. Second quarter. Number 15. Uy, nakalusot. Oopsie. Texon, pass to Abdul. Abdul, spin move. Oh, what a move for Abdul. Mabasa apat ang lamang ng San Beda. Out that pass. Ayan na. Tan, drop pass to number 12. Block by Abdul. Still, makakuha rito ng Xavier. Nabitawan ni Kim ang bola. Ayan ang San Beda. Pinasa loob. Tan using the block. Is a 2-point for Tan. 15-9 ang ating score. Kim, pass to D. To Texon, kick out. Kim from the elbow three, in and out. Rebound, Texon, and one! Basket count and one for Texon. One shot for a 3-point play. One shot, no good. Here comes San Beda with a rebound. Pass number 7. Oy, buti ka lang. Ay na, steal by Yani. Barreto! Oh! What a nice shot for Yani. Another steal for Xavier. Ayan na. Riley to Kim. Jump shot. No. Rebound. Riley. Sayang. Munti ka na yun. Time remaining 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Let's go. Yani with a rebound. Pass to Abdul. Bad pass nga lang. Steal lang San Beda. Another steal. Ayan na. Kim. Oh sorry, that's D. Pass to Riley. Riley. Attacking the basket. Wala. Rebound. Ano na? Steal by Riley. Uy, walang tawag. Another steal. Oh. Ayan na. Nakitawid ng San Beda. Tan for 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 3. No. Rebound ng Xavier. Here comes Yani. Yani. Pass to D. D. Ayan na si D. Crossover. Tomera. In and out. Rebound by number 3. Pass to Tan. To number 15. Behind the back. Number 7. Grabe. Nakalusot pa. Ang San Beda. 17-13. Yani with the ball. Setting on the play. Yani pupunta sa kanan. Yani, bounce pass. Texon! Whoa, too strong! Rebound ng San Beda. Ayan na. Tan. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Riley. Pass to D. Ayan na si D. Nagmamadali. Here comes D. Spin. Pinigay. Kay Riley. Pass to Yani. Yani. To Riley. Stop and pump. In. No good. Rebound by Riley. Out of bounds. Same ball. Yani with an inbound. Sino tatanggap? Pinigay sa corner. Oh! What a nice shot. for Wong. Ayan na. Oh, steal by Yani. Yani to Riley. Riley, back to Yani. To Santo Tomas. Oh, bad pass. Steal lang sa Albeda. Oh! Gets a foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Tan. Pinasa sa elbow, pinasa loob. Ayan na, spin move using the glass. Wala. Rebound ni Riley. Here comes Riley. Oy! Wala! Rebound. Makuha rito. Oh, steal by San Beda. Steal by Santo Tomas. Pass to Yani. Yani. Ayan na. Tan. Tumira sa tres. Oh! 3-point. Santo Tomas. Pass to Wong. Nabitawan. Steal. Walang tawag ating referee. Number 15. No good. Rebound. Good. Defense para sa Xavier. Oh! It gets a foul. Who's foul rep? Ayan, shoutout po kay Sir Rocco Zamora is watching. Magandang araw po. Sir Rocco Zamora. And back to the ball game tayo. Yani. Short. Oh. And one. Basket count and one for Santo Tomas. Bonus shot for them for a 3-point play. 17-20. Basket is good. Timeout. San Beda. Tapos na kayo, bro? Tapos na kayo sa kabila? Ay, dito kayo? Sino ang laban nyo? Same din? Same din. Okay. Kailangan. Ano oras? Last game? Parang last game, no? 3? Okay. Aspirant kalaban nyo. Aspirant. Senior. San Beda ano kayo? Ano ba? Kita. Mga madadagdagan pa. Alright, back to the ball game. Let's go. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Bola ng San Beda. Uy, naalusot! Wala! Rebound by Abdul. Ayan na, derecho! Uy! May foul ba, ref? Out of bounds. Walang tawag. Ooh! And that's a blocking foul for Xavier. Time remaining 1 minute and 6 seconds sa ating first half. Bola rito ng San Beda. Number 15. Pass number 13. Binigay sa corner. Fake. Step back 3. Wala. Rebound by Yani. Yani nagmamadali. Here comes Yani. Binigay. Ayan na si Wong. No good. Last 36 seconds. Tan, 4-3. Wala. Ayan na. Ooh. Last 23 seconds. Shoot in the line. Here's the number 13. Tan. Two for Tan. Last 23 seconds. Wong. Oy, bad pass. For Yanni. Up and under, wala. Rebound, Santo Tomas, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Santo Tomas! Oh! At naihabol ni Santo Tomas ang basket na yun. Alright, end of the first half. We shall score 22-20 in favor of the San Beda. Correction, 21. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga gusto pong makapanood ng replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, ito po siya.